Yo. So yeah, I'm gonna try distracting myself with some writing. We'll see if it works. Let's put on the Lofi Girl music. Cool. So we're gonna, yeah, we got a bunch of stuff to go through. Is it 05? Yeah, understanding how it works. Okay. Cool. Let's see if I'm live. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. So, autoscaler, spaces, managing dependencies, conclusion. I don't know. I don't know. You could put it here. Yeah. Deploying Ray applications with the Ray, I want to say it's the Ray Job API. Let's go heading 3. Is that the right one? No, heading 2. Let's double check. Docs.ray.io. That's going to be no. Yeah, Ray Job submission. Okay, cool. Laura said he'd do that, so we'll put that there for him. And here we're going to go into suggesting mode. As they train multiple models, each of these models, each model can be trained independently. Each model can be trained independently. And then another model on how to combine the results is trained. Each of the yeah. Yeah. Comparing these two is beyond the scope of the book. Is beyond the scope of the book. We will compare how they. Okay. Yeah. GVM, but comparing the details of the libraries is beyond the scope of this book. If you're interested, a good comparison of the two libraries found in this great blog post. Cool. Yeah. To do oh yeah thanks. It's actually it's a like bodysuit kind of thing, but actually I'm gonna roll up the sleeves. It's a little cold down here. Oh, I can turn. I could turn on the heat too, but yeah. Hi, Warren. Many extensions for specific applications. Have is our wine quality problem. Okay. Green, yeah, often. Okay. When machine learning model, you're often faced with a variety of choices. Choices from type of model to regularization technique to feature selection techniques. And so on. You can think of these techniques as parameters. And so on. Natural extension of machine learning is to use right values, parameters, for the choices in building our model. Okay, cool. I'm going to add a paragraph here. Like with boosting algorithms, hyperparameter tuning is especially well suited to parallelization, as it involves training and comparing many independent models. These separate models can be trained without requiring communication. Can be trained in training separate models is as there is cool. Huzzah. Okay. Training these separate models. It's actually, yeah, okay. Depending on the search technique, can be okay. This is not take advantage of information from previous experiments. That use the results of the previous iteration to improve the sampling method of the next iteration. This approach builds on a probability model of the. This approach builds a probability model of the objective function and uses it to select the most promising hyperparameters to evaluate Ah! I'm on a balance board, which is why I keep almost falling over. But I have to work on my core strength because it's not great. Oh, it's so cold. So cold. So cold. Oh, which reminds me. In a complete tangent, but okay, whatever. Used to build a model LR. And yeah, learning rate, momentum. Okay, cool. Yeah. More than using the full capabilities of multi-machine with clusters. You also learn how to use race-specific. Cool. Oh god. Okay. Sorry, brain. Okay, okay, okay. I could do that example. But then I'd also have to set up a meta store. And also, I don't know how many people will actually have an iceberg meta store. So I think we'll actually drop that example because I don't have one set up. My cluster is kind of fucked right now. Experiencing exciting opportunities for growth. Oh god. So tired. There was another comment to myself somewhere, like it said return here. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, wait, no, it was in the Dask version of this chapter where I had the comment to myself. Data. Advanced data with red. Jazz hands. Oh, so much fun, yeah. Clearly so much fun. Oof. Okay. This coffee is cold and not very good. I'm gonna go get myself some hot tea. I'll be right back. is cold outside. Huh. Oh, I could finish sewing. I'm only 22 minutes in though. Well, yeah, why not? Fuck it. Multitasking! Sort of. I gotta read this. I gotta go down to... Oh yeah, there's a to-do that I left for myself in here. And I also have a jacket that I want to finish sewing something in so that I can put on because I'm cold. Oh, which reminds me, I also need to get the other patch for it. So I guess I don't have to put that patch in it right now. Actually... Oh. Huzzah. Best of both worlds. Do the sewing in a little bit. Oh, I'm already starting to feel warmer a little bit. Ah! Fuck. Okay. Okay, this is kind of an important example. Down. Okay, yeah, return here. Okay. These map batches. Where's the API link? There's... Ah, yeah, there we go. Data set API reference. Dude. Okay. No. Wait, where am I? Here we go. No. Ah, here we go. Is map batches. Map batches exposes. Yeah, okay. Map batches can be used. Map batches is very flexible. Okay. I'm gonna make some bullet points, then I'm gonna turn this into a sentence. Flexible. Provides access in a variety of formats, either built-in, pandas, or PyArrow. Can use underlying block size or different. Supports requesting desired XYZ. Can use actors or remote functions as execution backend. What else? Okay. Okay. Map batches. Map batches works with both remote functions, tasks. Defaults to using remote functions, tasks. But if you need state, you can configure to use actors, flag setting. Okay. By default, map batches executes with provided, executes the function we provide across a system chosen across all of the elements in a data set using a system chosen batch size and using a system chosen batch size. Map batches is used to implement filter, flat map, what else is it used to implement? batches. Flat map end. Okay. Okay, by default, the batch type is what? What's the default batch format? Native, okay. Using a system chosen batch size and queries internal block format. Yeah. Falling. Sorry, it's too cold. Okay, yeah. So, across batches, across the blocks, batches, make up a data set. If you want to use, if you want to use state, you can change the execution compute. Is it compute? Yeah, the compute. From its default. the results, a new data set. Speed, not batches. Yeah. For simplicity, you can have not batches. Provide an arrow, provide a pandas or arrow view of the data. Instead of its internal format, instead of view of the data. Yeah. What would we say about the internal format? Yeah. Yeah. I feel like I want to take the default. I want to take the word count example and just rewrite it to use map batches quickly. Because I think that would be a pretty... I think that would be a good explanation. Or a good, not explanation, a good sample. Maybe, I don't know. Let's look at the word count example again. Good might oversell it. Oh, which reminds me, actually, there's also some things that, yeah, okay, cool. While that's going on. Huh. Hmm. I feel like... And then we'll also go to atlas.o'reilly.com. No, I guess 23 days ago. Okay. Sounds good then. Okay. Although, yeah, I do want to... Oh, fuck. Dude. That looks like something I shouldn't have streamed. Let me press reset token. Fuck yeah. Cool. CR page update. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Oh, okay, cool. That's something I should fix. Rate chapter 2, Hello Worlds. Okay. so sleepy. Don't remember what I'm doing. That's okay. Pretty par for the course. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Other thing that I was going to do is because we do actually have. Is there. Oh, it's not. It's preface. Although it's an HTML? Huh, that's annoying. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay. Google Docs to Markdown. Oh, cool. I have it installed. That's great. So I'm going to just run Grammarly on this one last time before I lose my nice tools by putting this into Markdown. Only 8. That means I probably already did this without becoming systems administrators. Most beneficial. Okay. That's good. This contains servers. If you can't spell for shit, say thank you. Berkeley community and the Pi data. Thank you. And guidance. Thank you for all your guidance to all the early readers and reviewers. built on. Okay. Are the author's fault, sometimes against the advisor. Oh, Professor Soros. Not to get. Is it so the GitHub contains the majority of the examples for this book. Most of the examples for this book. The examples for this book are in it's not the illustrations. Thank you. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's go find the markdown thing. Tools. How do I use the docs to markdown thing? Okay. Ease. I would like to use this. How do I use this? Okay. Oh yay! Legit. Hey, do I know when this book will be published? It's a great question. Sorry. I'm sorry that I don't have the bad techno. I definitely did feel weird initially working on a live stream. Yeah. I guess we can find Creative Commons techno music. Cool. We can switch it up. Okay. Yeah. There we go. We've got some good stuff. So I don't know for sure when the books are going to be published. They are, the Ray book is in early release right now. If you have access to the O'Reilly Learning platform, you can get them there. If you're just interested in reading them though, I'm more than happy to share the GitHub. I mean, the GitHubs are public where the books are being written. We're doing the first drafts in Google Docs because the collaboration tools are a little bit easier to use. And there's that. Sorry, my brain's a little fucked. Cool. But oh yeah, and if you want access to the Google Doc links, happy to share. But what we're gonna do right now, actually. Oh, actually, yeah, that's the other thing I wanted to do. Git checkout orm/er1. Oh, okay. I can actually probably just do that. Okay. Let's go ahead and export this as soon as I figure out how. Nope, and nope. Huh. Add-ons. Oh, huzzah! Ooh, ASCII doc processor. Convert all. Okay, that's fine. ASCII doc. This is a little slow, but huzzah! Okay. Ah, no. What? Ah. Okay. I would like to put this on my clipboard. Great. Wait, actually, I wonder if there's any preferences that I can do. Manage add-ons? Can I do anything with this? Looks like no. Okay, whatever, that's fine. Oh wait, no, there's a setting. Oh, no, that's just, okay, fine. Why is Chrome using all of my, suspicious? Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Okay, why is Emacs using 100% of a CPU? Like, I know we joke about 8 megs and constantly swapping, but like, that's a bit much even for Emacs. I would like to steal the file. Yes, steal. Okay. It could be that ASCII doc mode is being kind of not great, which happens. And so I'm gonna do this, just like okay. It looks like my clipboard is being weird. God damn it. I'm tempted to just convert this to like Markdown and then can to do boop. Okay. I wonder if we have an ISBN yet. Let's try doing this. Maybe this will work better. I would like to see the Markdown. Output copy to the clipboard. What is the alert? Oh, okay, yeah. That's fine. All Emacs. Okay. Okay, cool. Up next, oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, wait, no, I guess computer images, preface. Download as a zip file. It's a bit of a hack. Oh! Hey! I'm excited there's folks from Madrid. Hi, Kitsunkar. You can tell me how to pronounce your name correctly if you want. Okay. Images, image 1. Timbit.png. Okay. Oh, yay! I really like Big Things Spain. That's a wonderful conference. I think that's how I do the links. Let's double check. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Looks like the syntax is a little easier than I remember. So that's cool. Oh yeah, I was gonna see if yeah, it's not. ISBN search. No, okay, so it's still just in the O'Reilly Learning Platform. We don't have an ISBN assigned to it yet. That's fine. Okay. How did I get into PySpark and Hadoop dev mode? Well, that's a great question. I really liked open source, and I was working at Google, and I really liked some internal tools at Google, and I was looking around for some external things, and the closest I could find to it was PySpark, so I started working on that. Then I wrote a book on it, then I got a job working on it, and now I've been doing that for like 7 years or something. A very long time. Fixed preface, link, and image include. Cool. Okay, then I know that there is feedback that I want to put in that was given after it was converted. Doc of record is ASCII doc now. Okay. There were some things. Yeah. Yeah. Great point. It's been so long. Sorry, it's been so long. All of my time in other chapters. Really appreciate your feedback. Okay, and then we can also add. Oh, can't spell for shit. Okay. Okay. Fills the need. Oh, this fills the need that exists. Okay. I need to learn Beeline script for end-to-end pipeline design within the Hadoop ecosystem. I've never used Beeline. Oh, that's a good, yeah, that's a good point here. Yeah. Oh, Cool. Okay, there's a bunch of things here. Okay. Each... So I haven't actually used Beeline, so I don't really know a good starting point for that, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah, so I know a lot about Spark, and some other tools, but the tools that connect everything together, I don't have as much knowledge, so I haven't used Beeline, for example. Okay. So, scheduler. Yes, yes. Okay. Scheduler. Okay. Each Ray node provides a local scheduler that can communicate with each other. That also communicates with each other, creating a unified distributed scheduler for the cluster. Cool. Okay. Yep. That's typo. That's a great fix. Pop. Although Rayup or a Kubernetes operator or the Kubernetes operator are... Oh, okay. How do I get practical Spark SQL? So that's a great question. My guess would be Spark the Definitive Guide. Oh yeah, so doing the whole like end-to-end design, and there's a data teams book that's really good, but that's more like if you're a manager. What's my brain doing? Brain. Be so smart. Think of things. Be so smart. Like, honestly, the Airflow stuff is kind of nice. But it's kind of a pain to schedule. But I think they have some really interesting patterns there. Sorry, my brain is just, it's not running at 100%. I mean, it's probably not even running at 20%, to be honest. Okay. In addition to okay, wait, what is this section? Where does it fit in the ecosystem? Where does it fit in the ecosystem? Okay. I've done that. Yeah, sorry, my brain is not doing so much multitask today. cool. Okay, there's a bunch of really solid suggestions here. It builds. Rebuilds. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that remains like a to-do there. But we've done some of those suggestions over. How do I stay focused for long times in your streaming sessions? I mean coffee, and also, frankly, I take breaks, right? Um, Actually, yeah, speaking of, I'm gonna go grab some tea. Yeah. And actually, I can delete a whole bunch of text in chapter 2 when I get back, so that's exciting. Huzzah! I'm back with tea. Um. So, okay. Um. Learning PySpark. I mean, so Denny has a good one. Hive, I don't know. Learning Scala, yeah. Yeah. I mean, how do I say this? Um, yeah. It's brain, a little slow. Yeah. Obviously, like as a book writer, I prefer it when people buy books. Um, but like, also I understand that not everyone can buy books because they're expensive, and like I don't mind it when people get my books from websites like the Pirate Bay. Um, Oh, how to get into the groove. I mean, I think everyone's different, right? Like that's the thing. Like what I'm not sure I understand. But it's okay. That's okay. 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 This is, which chapter is this? This is chapter 2. Okay. Okay. Installing for x86. Yeah, okay. Actually, yeah. Doot. And Mac ARM. So what I'll do here is Linux ARM users and other architectures. Without pre-built for those running on systems without pre-built wheels, installing from source is possible, but a little slow. C APA deploying. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move this cool. Anything else here that I want to clean up? Okay, no, that looks good. And I think we only did the first 3 chapters into ASCII doc. So I'll go through that. Cool, there are things that I want to change here. Cool. Okay. Yeah. I think having a good understanding I mean that's legit. I do have like this flowchart that I've been working on. It's not finished. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah. So here's like the flowchart. End-to-end pipeline design is like that's a challenge. I don't know any great books on that right now. But yeah, it's something working on. It's in GitHub. I don't know. I'm sure there are some, but my brain is just I don't remember. Okay. Oh yeah, chapter 3. Despite its name. Okay. glad that that y'all think that's a neat debug tool. It's, you know, open to contributions, of course, actively. I mean, I don't write code every day, I would say. I write code most days. I maybe, like, work on writing books, like, occasionally. Not as much as I like. Okay. Check. Cool. Oh yeah, that was in December, so that's but like, yeah, I don't like practice, right? I just, like, you know, you do it. It's my job. It's also stuff that I do for fun, right? Like, I have little silly projects. They're not complicated, and they're not written as well, but it's often how I learn new things. Like, I'm finally getting around to picking up akka a little bit, honestly, just by reading code, and getting ready to deploy some akka apps in my personal time. But, you know, I don't know akka. Okay, that being said, though, okay, cool. So those 3 chapters are done. Or, I mean, by done. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, that's what I need to do. Bring over comments and suggestions from Google Docs. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's see if it builds. Yeah, okay. Preface isn't in there. I need to add it to atlas.json as well. Okay. Take a look at what it produced and what the build log is. Oh, I guess it's 2023. Oh, I guess that probably is the ISBN. I don't know for sure, though. I'll leave that for later. Okay, cool. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah. Actually, that reminds me, I need to update that tip in chapter 2. It's no longer true. I mean, it is, but it's it's no longer important. Nice. Nice. And more wheels. Cool. Alright. I mean, this looks reasonable enough. It's not, obviously not perfect, but it doesn't look like I screwed anything up while I was updating the first 3 chapters. Oh, that's great. Okay. Let's see here. Warning. Oh, I guess, okay. I use these things separately, and I should make this more consistent for later. Which one is that in? That's in chapter 2. So then, this is what we call it. And then the other one here is, we've got tolerance. And that's in we want to make these things consistent, even though they're not present, just because they will be present later. Yeah. That sounds about right from talking with a lot of data engineers. It's certainly often learn by doing. Sometimes in production. Update intersection lengths to be more consistent. Okay, cool. Cool. I mean, not perfect, but yeah. Let's go see how the most recent build worked. Okay, I need to figure out, there's something I need to do here. O'Reilly Media. There's some magic that you do to make it show up as a preface. Oh, okay. I guess the magic is just calling it a preface. Maybe? Oh, cool. Okay. Not perfect, but good enough for me. Okay. Yeah, that's page 38. Okay. Well, we'll get there. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to learn all the languages normally. Just, pick one. And go with that. If you want to be a Spark person, Scala is probably the easiest. No, I shouldn't say the easiest. Scala is likely the best place to start because you can then read a lot of the Spark code base. Okay. Where's the? Oh yeah, okay. Um. Uh. To better understand it, what do I do in my spare time? I mean, I guess it depends on what you consider spare time. Like, if this is spare time, this is part of what I do. I exercise a bit. I ride scooters. I spend time with my wife, and my partners, and my dog. I sew, not well, but I do. I used to do pole dance. It's been hard getting back into that because my wrists are fucked up from when I got hit by a car. Yeah, writing books is a lot of it. Yeah. You can see the flexibility of map batches by looking at the. Oh, fuck yeah! Good luck. Good luck. I hope you get your license soon. One of my girlfriends is taking the motorcycle safety class soon. I think next month. I'm really excited for her. I really like riding. It's one of the times in my life where I get to focus and it's really nice because a lot of the time in my life there's always a lot of different things happening in my head, but not when I'm riding. I really like riding. Okay, you can see the flexibility of map batches by looking at the rewritten word count example that also drops at the word count example rewritten to directly likely use map batches and also drop. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite our word count example because that's what I'm going to do. Oh, yeah, actually, I don't know if... Am I running Ray or Dask? I don't remember which one I've got up. Okay, looks like I'm probably running Ray. There is a Hadoop local mode. It's not great, though. Word count with oh yeah. Oh wait, I already did that. I already wrote this example. Huh. Fuck yeah. I guess that's my brain. That's my brain. I wrote this example and forgot about it. Do I have any plans? I don't have any plans to write a programming language. That stuff is... I mean, programming languages are really cool and really fun, but I don't think I'm the right person to write a programming language. I like teaching people things. I mean, I like making things too, right? But like, I would say that I probably get more joy from teaching people how to do something, which, like, it means I have to learn how to do it myself first, and normally I do that by using it for work, but I'm more likely to, like, teach people things. I do want to visit India someday. It's on my list. But the world is not great. Okay. Oh. Move this to the data set chapter for show. I did move this to the data set chapter. Okay. 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 So instead of even more awesome word count, I'm gonna say word count with batches. Our batch functions. Oh, actually, wait, okay, that's why, okay. Word count with batches. Yeah, I know cricket. Never watched a game of cricket, but I know of it. Okay, that's okay. Legit. Okay, so I'm seeing why I didn't use these before, because I was going to use these to do some other stuff, and that's great. Oh, shit, I did something I did not want to do. Edit, undo. Oh wait, no, did I just hide it? Oh, it's fine. Okay. Awesome word count with batches, more awesome word count with batches. Okay. And right, because this one is intentionally showing how to call remote functions from data sets. Okay, yeah, and this is the, I think I should just merge these together. It doesn't need to be two separate things, and it should be in the one called dataset because that's what these actually are. So we're gonna go over here. Yeah, I went to university. I went to the University of Waterloo in Canada. Very fortunate to do that, I would say. I don't super remember when I started programming. Like I just don't. Okay. But I was young. I was lucky. My next door neighbors growing up were really nice. Okay, here's where we're going to grab the data set example. Close the desk stuff because it's not what we're using. Okay, hello worlds. So, yeah. And then array word count on DS, filter only once. Filter only once. And then grouped words. Interesting words. Group words dot filter lambda WC and then what I want to do after this is rewrite this with batches. Okay. Tokenize batch. We're not actually going to use the weird future thing here, but what we'll do... Actually, yeah. Return... result equals map. Actually, we're going to end up doing... Oh, I have this already down here. Except... Wait, that's not actually tokenizing the batch, is it? Oh, okay. Wait. That's extract text.remote. Yeah, Ugh. Yeah, typos. Typos ahoy. Okay. This is calling the wrong function. These should be calling tokenize. Okay. Yeah. This is in, where are we? Don't have these, so nested tokens. I think this is actually going to need to be restructured, because I'm pretty sure that the internal type isn't going to match. But whatever, we'll write this and then we'll go from there. My brain is, as previously mentioned. List of map, W. And then filter I'll switch this to map batches, tokenize batch, map batches, pair batch, group by. Since it involves okay. This probably is not going to work, but let's go ahead and I want to, yeah, okay. These two, probably not going to work. Although, actually, I don't remember. If I've rebuilt the cluster image recently enough, maybe it will. Oh, actually, yeah, I don't actually know if I have get Oh, that's weird. Huh. Wait, no, that's weird because I'm currently using the cluster, so the cluster is clearly working. Okay, cool. Okay, and I did do that. Let's see if we can build the GPU one. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll do that now. While it's building, we can deploy the whatever it's called. My brain is not there. Yeah, we can deploy the operator. Array examples. I want to say installing helm, so that's how I install it. Is install.sh going to do the thing that I want it to do? Probably. Helm config selector. Cool. Alright, while it deploys, I'm gonna go use the restroom and grab myself some more tea. for about a minute. Great. So we'll set local to false, and we'll try and run it. Probably not going to work, but that's okay. That's part of life on the bleeding edge. Hey, Professor. My dog is called Professor Timbit. You want to say hi to everyone? Oh. You want to be chair, don't you? Come on, let's go say hi to everyone. Let's go say hi to everyone. What do you think? You want to say hi? Is it okay? Say hi. Sorry, little bud. Okay. Okay. Get all dash n ray. Oh, wait. Okay. What is going on with this? Oh, I remember there was a bug. Not enough permission to watch for resource changes. What? Okay. Probably this means that the Helm chart is out of date. Helm. Array operator. Okay. Huh. Not enough permission to watch for resources. That's really weird, like, because I'm just doing the... like... Why does it not have enough permission? Okay. Let's go see if someone else has reported this bug first before we bother. Okay. Oh, okay, this is a Ray bug. And bug, I mean, it's just not supported for the newer version of Kubernetes. Maddie's most likely. Okay. Huh. Okay. Um. So. Unless, did I didn't do anything? Yeah, no. Weird. Okay. Where are these stored again? Deploy charts. Okay. Where's the RBAC? Okay. So, in theory, this has access to get, watch, list, create, delete, patch, and update. So what the fuck? You have update. Okay. Ray. What's the question? Or did you? Oh, the professor left. Ray, not enough permission to watch for resources. Let's go here. Yeet. Cool. Needs repro script. Huh. Huh. started running into this as well. Okay. Okay, let's, I still, get the error message. Deleting and recreating the array namespace, seems to do the trick for, subsequent clusters setup in that namespace, suggesting that there is some weird resource hanging out. Which reminds me, actually, I want to get some. This is totally random, but I want to add it to my shopping cart. Rose Angeles. $4.50 compared to $9. Okay. Don't think I need a quart of it. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, my brain is my brain, which is to say, jumps around a lot. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Redis. Okay. But these should be the same version, right? Unless the fetch is set differently. Let's go see. Image pull policy is always for a cluster scope operator. Image pull policy is always values dot image. And you are also values operator image. I don't know, that's set to the same thing. Huh. It should be the same version. It's the same container. Oh, okay, whatever. Ray just produces a lot of shit on the standard error. Definitely makes it hard to know what the hell's going on. Okay. Let's see, starting Ray client server failed. It should be the same version. Could it be over here? Okay. Let's fucking... Okay. Server startup failed for client using job config. Proxy or dot. Yeah, that's not at all useful. Oh, writing and distracting from what? Life. Yeah, I mean, the world is just kind of weird right now. Cool. What? Receive 0. Let's try it again. It's trying to connect to localhost. Okay. What the fudge? Okay, ray util connect. Ray util connect. Okay. It probably worked. Let's go ahead and try and run something. Failed to serialize response. Yeah, I dig it. I mean, it's not great, but like, oh, I remember now. Yeah. What do I think the best way? I mean, this will probably sound trite, but like doing it a lot is how I did it. Okay. So, failed to serialize response. Why did you fail to serialize response? So, you went down here, CSV data source, file system, and that failed. How the fuck did that fail? Okay. Okay, what time is it? Okay, 24. So less. Error. Out. Okay. this should not be, like, how do I say this? This should be serializing just fine. Wait, no, that's saying failed to serialize response. There's some stuff to debug serialization inside of Ray. Ray debug serialization errors. Yes. This should work. Okay, that's serializable. What the fuck isn't serializable from inside of read data source? Or read CSV. Okay. What object? Okay, let's go follow this code path, because, like, this should be working. Like, I was expecting it to fail, but not here. Yeah, I mean, then you're probably pretty good at what you do. Okay. Ray, Python, data, Python, Ray, data, read API. Okay, read CSV. Why are you not doing the right thing? CSV data source. Okay, read data source. Okay. No. I wish I had the serialization details here. Let's actually, I don't have that many. I'm not going to be a CEO. I don't have that kind of background, right? I'm a programmer. Oh, right, okay. So, that's cool. It's all running... That's weird. Okay. I'm gonna give myself... Oh, I mean, there's a few books. Structure and Interpretation of Computing Programming, SICP, helped me understand functional programming in a way that I don't think I did before. What else? I mean, I read a lot of O'Reilly books. The Riley Camel book, the Pearl book, I mean, that's not in vogue anymore, but that gave me, like, how I think about regular expressions. The Riley Python books gave me how I think about Python. There was the Java book by that dude, Bruce Eckel. I don't know. I remember that helped a bit, but not a whole lot. Okay. But still, I don't know. Let's go here. Array, data set, failed to serialize response. Interesting. These is a lot of errors, which one would hope not to have. Yeah. Yeah, that's not realistic. The versions have to match. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go ahead and switch this back to local mode. Local equals true. Oh yeah, no, it's just... Oh, yeah, okay, that's because rain net. Yeah, okay. Restart kernel and run all cells. Let's see if that does the trick. Oh yeah, I can delete this one for the next run. So this loads fine. No, I'll fix that later. In local mode, which, like, what the fuck? Okay. Let's take a look at what the types are. Num blocks, okay. I'm pretty sure I can go ahead and get the block underneath it. I just don't remember. Is it get blocks? Get, okay. Blocks. Blocks, block wraps, get internal block graphs. Yes. Now that's a Pyro table. That better heckin' be serializable. Okay, so that is serializable. Why the fuck? Kernel, restart kernel and run all cells. Recoverable error in data channel. Yeah, that's not good. Attempted to reconnect a session that has already been cleaned up. This should be a new. No, I restarted the kernel, so it should have, unless it says some environment properties, which I could see it doing. Because it's Ray, they do things. Let's take a look and see if they said any like environment variables about like Ray or stuff that would survive a kernel restart. Huh, that worked fine this time. Yeah, I think the main takeaway that I have so far is that this is a little flaky. Flakier than I would like. Fuck. Is this a serialization error? Oh, cannot... Huh. Okay, I'm just hypothetically maybe the cluster deployment's just screwed up. So we're just gonna bounce everything, and we're gonna see if like the relatively basic examples work, because that'll like it'll just be a good cluster smoke test. Because something's not right. I don't know for sure what it is. So okay. Doot. Huh. Fascinating. Kind of want to add that to my Algebra, yeah. Statistics, no. Or, I used to be? I don't know. I don't do a whole lot of, like, actual math anymore. Like, I have a degree in math, ostensibly. It's a bachelor's degree, but... and I really enjoyed Lin Algebra 1 and 2. The advanced or proof version of it, which for some reason called the advanced version, where I went to school. Okay. Oh, I remember that, and I don't have an easy fix. Yeah, fuck. Fudge. Need to upgrade GCC? Damn. GCC 9, NVIDIA Jetson. Where are my GCC options? Yeah, it has been a while, for sure. GCC, NVIDIA Jetson. File system.h. I remember seeing someone, okay. GCC 7 files system.h. Okay. My options are I can upgrade GCC, which is going to be a pain in the fucking ass. Yeah, okay, fine. GCC upgrade. I want to upgrade GCC. Yeah. Nice. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this and the weird cross build stuff. Yeah, alpha T. Make a note here. We need GCC greater GCC 9 for array. Okay. So let's go ahead. First things first. Build that. Yeah, and this is the weird alpha T plus. We'll run this. This should go faster. I'll find out if it works or not faster. It's also less important, but we can do that. This is supposed to be writing, but I ended up like, oh wow. I don't know. I don't have a like huge number of stream folks who I follow. There's someone really good. I think if I could see here. Yeah. So Miles Borens, Mark Mandel, and Gabriela A.D. Ferrara is really rad. Okay, cool. None of them are online right now, but they're all really rad. And they do a lot of like programming-ish streaming stuff that I like. Oh, cool. RT streaming. Yeah. Oh. Speaking of, if I get this to the point where it kind of works. Oh shit, actually, fuck. I just realized. Set max threads. Create client server so we can avoid some disconnect issues. Cool. Okay. Git remote, git pull upstream master. Yeah, they're all on Twitch. Cool. Cool. And then what we'll do here. Actually, wait, no. I'm gonna switch things down a bunch. Hospitals have base steps that work. And allow for yay, happy vibes, and allow for dataset usage with ask and Spark. Okay, cool. Now I can. Cool. Oh, fascinating. That could be related. Let SciPy float, though. Okay, cool. Thanks everyone for chatting. It's nice to have other people to like talk with. Yeah, okay. Bills. Cool. And so then that could work for the cross-platform. I do. I use Magit a lot. The times when I don't use Magit is when I'm in tramp mode, like right now. It doesn't play nicely with tramp mode. I made a Magit tramp GitHub. Oh. Yeah, okay, someone made like a special tramp version. It's 3 p.m. So the day is still young. Yeah. I wonder if someone's fixed this. Huh. I remember, like, seeing something about this. Well, it claims, like, it seems like it looks like it should work. Let's try updating. I don't remember how to update all of my packages. I would like to, okay, meta X, package, refresh, contents. And then, oh, but Marmalade's down. Okay. I guess. I do sometimes. But, you know, there's a lot of other good things that have happened in life since then. So this looks like it can't find... Okay, let's go take a look at Melba. What are the packages here? Magit. Yeah. Well, looks like it should be there. Okay. Oh, failed to download Melba Milkbox. Okay, I guess. Oh, I can use HTTPS nowadays. Like a fancy person. imagine. Yeah, I remember the first few years after graduating feeling very similar. Okay, I knew this was going to take forever, and I'd rather do this with like an up-to-date version, so I think I'm going to take this as my cue to go and make lunch. I think I have fresh bread that I made. If not, I'll go make some bread and eat cereal while bread makes. And then I'll come back and probably do more stuff this evening when hopefully I'll have a semi-reasonable Ray installation up and running, and we can hopefully finish the dataset chapter tonight, but time will tell. Thanks so much everyone for chatting, I really appreciate it. AK, Shiva, Andre, Harpreet, War Element, let's see here, who else? I know there was someone else. My memory not so good. Whatever. Sorry, I don't remember everyone's name. But I really want to say thank you for chatting. It does make a difference. I enjoy having people to hang out with, and doing this keeps me from like going into like refreshing news pages to see the latest sadness sort of thing. And it's nice to chat with people while I write books. So yeah, I'm gonna go and make lunch. I hope you all are as safe as possible in our really, really fucked up world. And good luck.